Good morning, students. In last lecture, we had seen the proportional allocation. In proportional allocation, Ni, ith strata sample size is directly proportional to capital Ni, ith strata size. And if we obtain the formula for Ni, then formula for Ni will be this one, small n by capital N into Ni, or we can write this as n into Wi. Also, we obtained variance of y bar st under proportional allocation is 1 upon small n minus 1 upon capital N summation I running from 1 to k Wi/si square. Now we are going to see one example based on proportional allocation. Look at this example, read this example. In a population with 4 strata, means number of strata k is 4. K is 4. The following information is available. So this is stratum number. Stratum means actually strata. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are values of Ni. Means first strata size is 300, second strata size is 500, third strata size is 600, and similarly fourth strata size is 600. These are values of Si. You know, Si square means ith strata mean square. So we can call it as ith strata root mean square values are like this. Small y bar I means ith strata sample mean. So ith strata sample mean will be like this. First strata sample mean is 8, second strata sample mean is 4, second strata sample mean is 5, and fourth strata sample mean is 6. Means from this strata the sample has been taken and its mean is 8. From this strata samples are taken and its mean is 4, like this. Now here they ask find out unbiased estimator of population mean. Means we want to obtain unbiased estimator of population mean. You know the unbiased estimator for population mean, which is sample mean. So sample mean in stratified random sampling is y bar st. Means actually we want to find y bar st. So formula for y bar st is 1 upon n summation I running from 1 to k Ni into y bar I. Second thing is find the sample sizes by using proportional allocation if total sample size is 20. This 20 is total sample size. Total sample size means n is 20. When n is 20, we want to find sample sizes using proportional allocation. Sample sizes means actually we want to find n1, n2, n3 and n4 under proportional allocation. Third one is calculate the corresponding variance of sample mean. Now corresponding variance means under proportional allocation calculate the value of variance of sample mean. Means actually we want to find variance of y bar st. And in proportional allocation, in last lecture we had seen the formula is like this: 1 upon small n minus 1 upon capital N summation I running from 1 to k WISI square. Alright. So solution for this one. Solution of this example. First one, we want to find unbiased estimator of population mean. Now you know that sample mean means y bar st is an unbiased estimator for population mean, and its formula is this one: 1 upon n summation I running from 1 to k Ni into y bar. Now capital N is not given, so how to find capital N? Actually capital N means summation I running from 1 to k Ni into Ni is your capital N. Means this N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus N4 is your capital N. And the addition of this Ni is 2000. So this will be 1 upon 2000 into, here summation I running from 1 to k is 4 because the number of strata are 4, Ni into y bar. So this is actually 1 upon 2000 into N1 y bar 1 plus N2 y bar 2 plus N3 y bar 3 plus N4 y bar 4. And capital N1 is given, y bar 1 is also given, N2 y bar 2 is also given. Similarly up to N4 y bar 4, all these things are given in this table. So capital N1 is 1 upon 2000, capital N1 is I think 300, and y bar 1 is 8, plus capital N2 is 500 and y bar 2 is I think 4, plus N3 is 600 and y bar 3 is 5, plus N4 is 600 and y bar 4 is 6. If we solve this, then this will be 1 upon 2000 and this value is 11,000, and this is actually 5.5. So y bar st or unbiased estimator of population mean is 5.5. So we can say population mean will be 5.5 because y bar st is 5.5 and y bar st is unbiased estimator of population mean. So population may be 5.5. Population mean may be 5.5. Alright. Now second one. Find the sample sizes by using proportional allocation if total sample size is 20. We want to find sample sizes N1, N2, N3, N4 under proportional allocation. And we know that under proportional allocation, formula for Ni is small n by capital N into Ni. Small n they had given it is 20 and capital N is 2000, and this will be Ni. So 20 upon 2000 will be 100. So you can write this like this. So formula for Ni will be Ni upon 200. So hence, if you want to find n1, then put I equal to 1 here. So this will be capital N1 upon 200, not 200, it is 100 here. So capital, here it is 100. So capital N1 is, small n1 is capital N1 upon 100. So this will be capital N1 given in the table, which is 300. So 300 divided by 100 will be 3. Similarly, obtain n2, put I equal to 2, and this will be n2 upon 100. n2 is 500. So 500 upon 100 will be 5. Similarly, obtain n3. So n3 will be capital N3 upon 100, and capital N3 is 600 upon 100. So which is 6. And n4 is capital N4 upon 100. So which is 600 upon 100. And this will be 6. So sample sizes using proportional allocation are: from first strata, take 3 samples; from second strata, take 5 samples; from third strata, take 6 samples; and from fourth strata, take 6 samples. And total sample size will be, addition of all this will be 20. Now look at the third one. Third one is calculate the corresponding variance of sample mean. So means we want to find variance of Y/ST under proportional allocation. And formula for variance of Y/ST is this one. So consider that formula. Third one, we want to find variance of, consider variance of Y/ST under proportional allocation. Formula is 1 upon small n minus 1 upon capital N summation I is equal to 1 to k Wi Si square. So Wi is actually Ni upon n. So put all these values here. Here it is 1 upon n minus 1 upon n summation I running from 1 to 4. Wi is actually Ni upon n into Si square. Ni is given, we know n, and Si is also given. So this will be, small n is 20, so 1 upon 20 minus capital N is 2000, so minus 1 upon 2000 into, here it will be n1 upon n S1 square, and n1 is 300 upon n is 2000 into S1 square is, S1 is 6. S1 is 6. So 6 square plus n2 is 500, capital N is 2000 into S2 square. S2 is I think 8. S2 is 8. So 8 square plus N3 is 600 divided by 2000 into 9 square plus 600 divided by 2000 into 11 square, I think. Yes, 11 square. So 11 square. So here there is no bracket. Alright. So this will be like this. Now after solving this will be 1 upon 20 minus 1 upon 2000, and this quantity is 82. If we solve this using calculator, then this will be 4.059. So the value of variance of y bar st under proportional allocation is 4.059. Thank you.